are our Maltese Terriers. All of our puppies come with their first vaccination. They have been vet checked, they have been dewormed, defleed, they come with a 7-day health guarantee and have been microchipped. Maltese Terriers weigh up to 5 kilograms and grow of a height to 20 to 30 centimetres. Maltese Terriers are sociable dogs that make wonderful family pets. They love lots of attention from their owners and are great with young children. They prefer enclosed smaller spaces and small yards, and although they don't require excess amounts of walking, they do enjoy going on walks and outings with their owners. If a Maltese Terrier does develop a matted coat, professional grooming will be required. Regular grooming is also an excellent way to bond with your pet.